Hey Super Cruisers, it's Kevin and Frank from Cruising with Wheels.
And welcome to your Tuesday Tip of the Day.
Today's cruising tip is, be a good list maker.
That's right, so you can get a good night's sleep and not run things through your head all night, afraid you're gonna forget.
So you can have better time management and get more accomplished.
So you can achieve your goals and get things done.
So you can better communicate with your cabin steward.
So you don't spend more money than what's on your list when you go shopping.
So you don't forget to buy what you need when you go for your cruise.
So it will help you when your memory gets a little poor and you get a bit forgetful.
So that checking off the items on your list gives you a feeling of accomplishment.
To force your partner into getting all the things you want done.
Because a written list is better than an ignored voice request.
So you don't have to stick around to give out instructions in person. Leave a list.
Make multiple copies of the list and pass it around. Make everyone work.
A written list is a record you can keep for future reference as the need arises.
Now, you don't want to mumble and stumble around forgetting. Just write it down.
Hand your cruise bartender a written recipe of your favorite drink. Don't try to remember all the measurements and ingredients from memory. You might not like it.
Post a message board on your outside cabin door for others to leave a message for you.
Write a list of all the questions you have for your travel agent. Be prepared.
Make a list of all the places to go and things to do while you're on your cruise.
Keep a written diary of your cruise experience. It's the most important list you'll make.
Make a list of all the things you love about your spouse. Give it to them, and then ask for jewelry.
And that's your Tuesday Tip of the Day.
Thanks for joining us for another exciting video. And remember, not just to watch our videos, but become a regular Cruising with Wheels family member. Click that subscribe button and hit that little bell for regular notifications of when our videos go live. We also want to remind you to please hit that thumbs up button. Free for you, but helps us out.
Remember, we're also on all the other social media platforms. So you can follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat. And always remember to travel safe
And cruise often.